Dragon fruit is a pretty amazing fruit. It's becoming more and more popular, and for good reason. This exotic fruit isn't just beautiful to look at, it's also packed with good things for your body. Originally from Central America, dragon fruit grows on a cactus. Can you believe that? You usually won't find it in your average supermarket, but Asian markets and some larger stores carry it, especially when it's in season. Trust me, once you try dragon fruit, you'll want to keep enjoying it as part of a healthy and delicious diet. You wouldn't believe how many different types of dragon fruit there are. The most common ones you'll find have either bright pink or yellow skin. But here's a fun fact: the color of the skin doesn't tell you what the inside looks like. Some dragon fruit has white flesh inside, while others have a vibrant magenta color. The white flesh is a bit sweeter and milder, while the magenta one has a bit more zing to it. No matter which one you choose, the taste is always refreshing and a little bit sweet, kind of like a cross between a kiwi and a pear. So, we know dragon fruit tastes great, but did you know it's also really good for you? It's true. Dragon fruit is full of vitamins and minerals that your body loves. It has lots of vitamin C to boost your immune system and keep you healthy. It's also full of fiber, which helps your digestion and keeps you feeling full. And if you're watching your weight, dragon fruit is a great choice because it's low in calories. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and see how good you feel. Now for the fun part, eating. Here are 2 super simple recipes using dragon fruit that anyone can make. Dragon fruit smoothie. Chop up half a dragon fruit. Toss it in the blender with a banana, some frozen berries, and a splash of juice or yogurt. Blend it all up until smooth and enjoy. Dragon fruit salad. Cube some dragon fruit and mix it with other fruits like mango, pineapple, and kiwi. Squeeze a bit of lime juice on top to keep the fruit from browning. You can even add some chopped mint or basil for an extra burst of freshness. There you have it. Dragon fruit is a delicious and healthy addition to any diet. Give it a try and see for yourself.